At number 4, we have the FoodSaver FM2-2100. The FoodSaver FM2-2100 vacuum sealing system is designed for efficiency and ease of use, making it a popular choice for those looking to preserve food longer. Performance-wise, it excels in removing air and sealing bags tightly, which significantly extends the shelf life of food. Its operation is straightforward, featuring a simple control panel that users find intuitive. In terms of features, the FM2-2100 includes a built-in cutter to customize bag sizes, which reduces waste by allowing the use of just the right amount of sealing material. Additionally, it offers a moist-dry food settings option, enhancing its versatility for different types of food preservation needs. Durability is another strong point, with many users reporting that the machine holds up well over time, even with regular use. However, some have noted that the sealing strip may require occasional cleaning to maintain optimal performance. The warranty coverage for the FM2-2100 is standard, offering a 5-year limited warranty that provides some peace of mind, though it's worth noting that this is in line with industry norms rather than being exceptionally generous. Ease of use is a highlight, with many appreciating the straightforward operation and the convenience of the roll storage and cutter. The design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with a compact footprint that doesn't take up too much counter space. While the FM2-2100 is generally well received, some users have mentioned that the initial learning curve for optimal vacuum sealing can be a bit steep, and the machine can be somewhat loud during operation. Nonetheless, these minor issues do not significantly detract from the overall positive experience.